Alright. I think we're gonna beat the rain. Sure is windy like it's gonna rain, and it looks like it will. Alright, what's up guys? DapperxDan here. Slightly beautiful day here in Colorado. It's pretty warm actually, it's just windy. What in the world is going on? Why are we braking? Oh, there's a raindrop, I felt one, crap. See if we can outrun it. Anyways, guys, welcome to the last video that I'm filming with my GoPro Hero 3 Black. Actually, this video is going to be filmed with this camera and my new camera. So the first half of this video is going to be on the same stretch of road both days. And the first half of the video will be with this GoPro Hero 3. And the second half of the video will be with my brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I will film tomorrow, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow too. So, we'll see. So yeah, I mean this video still works. It's been working great for me. I bought it brand new. Can't remember how much I spent on it, but it was a lot. So yeah, I bought this camera brand new. I can't remember what year, but whatever year it came out, that's when I bought it, and it's been working great for me. But GoPro has this program right now, this trade-in thing where they'll give you $100 off the GoPro Hero 7 Black if you trade in your old camera. And yeah, so the new camera is like $400, so with the $100 off, that brings the price down to $300, which I think is pretty reasonable. And the new one has that really nice hyper smooth stabilization on it. I can't wait to try out. Hey, that's my old truck, except for different colors. No way. That's pretty awesome. I miss that truck. That was weird. Did it just slip out of fourth there? That was weird. Yeah, so I can't wait to try the hyper smooth stabilization. We'll see if it makes the video any better. You guys can see this road is really bumpy. And I got a purple Panda mic to go with it, purely on the fact that Chase on Two Wheels said it was a really good mic. So we'll see. I'm not going to be spending tons and tons of money on different mics trying to find a good one, so we'll see how that mic goes. Chase also said to turn off the stabilization because your neck stabilizes it, but I think I'm going to try it with it on. I personally think it's better to have the stabilization than to not have it. So yeah, I can't wait to try it out. We'll see how it goes. I got a mic adapter too from GoPro. On Amazon they're $100, but if you get it from GoPro it's only $50. You gotta check GoPro's website every single day to see if they're, most of the time they're sold out, but you gotta check every day and see if they're in stock or not. Currently it's the beginning of September and it's still surprisingly warm. It's been a really warm September, like we're still having 100-degree days, and as you can see, still in just a shirt. Oh, and the new GoPro is supposed to be waterproof right out of the box. But you gotta flip open that little panel to plug in the mic adapter, so that makes it not waterproof. But it's only that portion of it that's not waterproof. But I think the panel flips up, so it still protects it a little bit. And it's only on one side. So we'll see. The location is going to be the exact same. It's going to be right here on the front of my helmet. And we're going to put, oh, you guys probably already saw, we put Velcro tape on the bottom of the mic adapter, so we can put it on whichever side it's going to go. And then we can also transfer that mic adapter to my dual sport helmet for when I ride the Supermoto. Alright, I think I'm going to end it off this light here. And both videos will be that same stretch of road. So you can have a apples to apples comparison. Same stretch of road, 2 different days. And right now we will cut over to the Hero 7 Black footage. Alright, here we go. This is actually a week later to the day. We ended up getting soaked that one day. But here we go, same road, different camera, and new audio setup. So hopefully everything's working, and we'll see how it looks. As you guys saw in my new helmet video, the case that came with the GoPro does not allow the side door to be open where the mic adapter is. So we had to order another one, and that's the only reason there was a delay. But this is all the same video, so you guys won't notice a difference. Currently, should be like upper 70s. Even though it's only a week later, like the temperature has drastically gone down. Like in the mornings when I was leaving for work, it was in the 60s before, and now it's like in the 40s. A week difference, the temperature's gone down that much. So we got the super view going. Hopefully that looks really cool. You should be able to see really far to each side, exactly like I see. We'll see how the mountains look in super view. They probably look really far away. That would be my guess. But yeah, I mean, it's currently warm enough to not need a jacket, but since I have to use it in the morning, it won't fit in my backpack with that back protector in there. May as well just wear it. And yeah, I'm really liking this new GoPro so far. The new case that I got came with like a rubber lens protector, which is super nice for when I'm not using it. My old GoPro is for sale if anybody wants it. By the time this video comes up though, it'll probably be sold by the time this video comes out. I can't wait to see what the footage looks like too. That's gonna be awesome. I don't know when the Hero 3 came out, but I know I spent like $500 on it at the time when it was brand new. And just to see what the footage side by side will look like with the newer technology. It's weird having a screen too, like a screen on the back. I'm just not used to it. Hopefully this purple mic is picking up some good audio, because that's the one that Chase on Two Wheels recommended. So I went ahead and got one for this one and for my dual sport helmet too. I already know I need to change the position in this helmet though, because the little clip on it is pressed against my cheek and it's annoying. So I need to change the position. I'm not using the dead mouse in this helmet, but I am using it in my dual sport helmet though. So yeah, we'll see how it sounds at highway speeds right here. that sound will probably change a little bit because I am going to reposition the mic in this helmet. I know with my old GoPro and that old microphone, I would get a little bit of wind noise, not much though. We'll see how this one sounds when we're editing. You guys can let me know down in the comments how you like the sound, if it's better or worse. Hopefully this microphone has more accurate sounds and more accurate colors to how they are in real life. And I'm still shooting in 1080p. Only the main reason for that is 1080p and 30 frames a second. The main reason for that is the file size. Like when I first started, I was shooting in 2.7K, and those file sizes were huge and they would take forever to render. Like even for like a 10-minute video, and on my gaming desktop, it would still take like a full 12 hours to render that video. And that was the best of the best i7 at the time when I built it. So that's the main reason I do 1080p now. Hey, what's up guys? Hey. So yeah, the main reason I use that is because of the file size. It just takes forever to render those videos with the huge file sizes. It'll be interesting to see what the file sizes are with the Hero 7 now, because with my Hero 3 Black, it would switch it into like 12-minute chunks of video. So it'll be interesting to see what these ones are. From when I started till probably about this light up here, it'll probably be about 15 minutes. So we'll see how big these chunks are. And this is actually my first recording with this helmet. I haven't recorded anything yet, so we'll see how the video turns out. I probably should have tested it before, but if it doesn't turn out too well, we can always re-record it. That was a pretty sweet truck. Alright you guys, this light is where I ended off the last video, so that'll be the end of the direct comparison for the side-by-side. Alright, here's the true highway speeds, like 75. Not too much wind now that we're behind this truck. I usually don't talk when I'm on this highway, just because I want to reduce wind noise, but I want to see how the footage turns out compared to the old GoPro. Hey, everyone's riding today. It's funny when the passenger waits, but the driver doesn't. Alright. At least your passenger knows what to do. Oh my gosh! Yes! That is the exact F100 truck that I want, except for different colors. Someday, I will get one of those trucks. It's like a 55 F100. That was so nice. It won't be yellow though. Yellow's not really my color. I want to paint it green like the one that they have on the show Last Man Standing. Paint it that like dark green color. That would look so awesome. Oh, and the battery on this. So when I turned it on, it said 3 hours and 17 minutes of battery life. We'll see how accurate that is. I'm not going to be riding for that long today, but one day we'll see how accurate that is. It'll be interesting to compare, like when I'm editing, like with the old GoPro, it would be like the audio, you could see it was like all the way maxed out when I'm not talking, and then when I'm talking, it would go down like, I don't know how to, I'll pull up a picture, like right here. You can see when I'm not talking, the audio is maxed out, but when I am talking, it's smaller to pick up my voice, and it's not focusing so much on the background noise. So it'll be interesting to see how that's changed with the new GoPro, which we'll post up a picture now. Oh my gosh, the sun is setting super early now. It's barely after 5, and look at this, look where the sun is at. It's like, the sun sets usually by like 7:20 now too. So early. But you get home and you have like maybe an hour of light, if that. It's currently September, and we should be able to make it through October, I'm hoping, for our riding season. We will see though, it got cold fast. What in the world? Well, you kids aren't even old enough to get a tattoo. Why are you hanging out at a tattoo shop? Oh, it's because it's Friday the 13th, that's why. That's why everyone's at the tattoo shop. Oh my goodness, look at that GTO. That is so nice. It's a Judge too. Oh yeah, we gotta catch up to him. Whoopie Scandy. Oh my gosh, listen to how it sounds. I'm guessing they're doing that car show thing up here. Oh my gosh. Nice. Woo! So jealous of this guy right here. Wow, that is super clean. I don't know what the difference is between the Judge and the regular GTO, but I know that there's a wing. I don't know if this one has a bigger motor or what, but that thing is so nice. And it's a manual like God intended. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh, that hurt. Jeez, there's nobody on the roads. Feels like it's way later than it actually is. I have found a couple improvements I'm going to make to my helmet too. Like I'm going to use some electrical tape on the cable for the microphone. Keep it down on the outside of the helmet so it's not flapping around all the time. Nope, no car show. Alright you guys, that's pretty much all I got for right now. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this comparison between the Hero 3 Black and the Hero 7 Black. Let me know what you thought of the footage. If you liked today's video, go and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.